In today's video, we will talk about Warren Buffett and how his company made big bets during the 2022 recession. American business tycoon, philanthropist, and investor Warren Edward Buffett presently serves as Berkshire Hathaway's chairman and CEO. As of September 2022, he was the 7th wealthiest person in the world and one of the most successful investors with a net worth of over $97 billion. Since 1970, Buffett has been chairman and the company's largest shareholder. The Oracle, or Sage of Omaha, has been referred to as him by the international press. Despite his enormous wealth, he is renowned for his personal austerity and dedication to value investment. Warren Buffett is a generous man who has promised to donate 99% of his wealth to charitable causes, principally through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Buffett invests through his company Berkshire Hathaway rather than his personal name, so technically we're looking at Berkshire in this video. This year, Berkshire Hathaway has been a very active stock buyer, spending over $50 billion, primarily in the first quarter. According to estimates from Barron's, some of those acquisitions now appear to be losing money, particularly those made by Citigroup, Paramount Global, and printer and PC manufacturer Hewlett-Packard. You are about to learn that you can potentially purchase these shares for less than what Warren Buffett or his two investment lieutenants, Todd Combs and Ted Weschler, paid for. According to its reported holdings as of June 30, Berkshire owns around $2.6 billion in Citigroup, $1.8 billion in Paramount, and $3.3 billion in Hewlett-Packard. According to Barron's, Berkshire paid an average of $35 per share for Hewlett-Packard, compared to the company's closing price of $24.92 on September 30, 2022, and around $58 per share for Citigroup, compared to the stock's current price of $41.67, compared to September 30 close of $19.04. We believe Berkshire paid an average of nearly $32 per share for Paramount Global. Barron's is calculating these three investments' typical costs based on their average prices from February 22 to March 15, when Berkshire did the majority of its first quarter buying. Berkshire has not disclosed the average cost of these three investments. In early 2022, Berkshire made a significant acquisition of Occidental Petroleum. Berkshire continued to grow its investment until early August, when it had acquired 188 million Occidental shares, or a 20% ownership, for a total market value of $12 billion. Based on Berkshire's disclosures, Barron's calculates that the corporation paid around $54 per share for the majority of its holdings in this major energy producer. Warren Buffett has preferred to pay less than $60 a share for Occidental stock. With a recent sell-off in energy stocks, Occidental has traded below $60 for the first time since early August. Berkshire also owns approximately $25 billion of Chevron. We estimate that Berkshire purchased a large stake in Chevron at $155 per share in the first quarter. As of September 30, 2022 closing, Chevron was trading at $143.67 per share. Activision Blizzard, which Berkshire bought aggressively in the first quarter at what we estimate to be around $80 a share, compared to September 30's closing of roughly $74.34 per share. At the annual meeting, Buffett revealed that he purchased Activision this year in response to Microsoft's January agreement to acquire the video game publisher for $69 billion or $95 per share. According to Buffett, the Activision arbitrage spread was enticing. The large spread reflects worries about antitrust. Activision is a $6 billion asset owned by Berkshire. Buffett has not disclosed who purchased the investment in Hewlett-Packard, Paramount, or Citigroup, whether it was Combs, Wexler, or himself. 10% of Berkshire's equity portfolio, which was worth around $340 billion as of June 30, is managed by Combs and Wexler. Buffett typically manages stakes worth $5 billion or more, while Combs and Wexler frequently manage smaller businesses from $1 billion to $3 billion. According to some investors, Combs or Wexler likely launched Berkshire's stakes in companies like General Motors, Amazon, Charter Communications, Snowflake, and DaVita. Regarding timing, Buffett stated at the meeting that he frequently enjoys it when a stock declines after Berkshire initially buys it because it allows him to buy more of it. Buffett also claimed that he totally missed the big market opportunity in March 2020 when the market fell before rising to new highs. In 2020, Berkshire bought less shares than usual. In addition, Berkshire has traded more of its stock holdings in recent years, defying Buffett's frequently expressed belief that his preferred holding time is indefinite. In the second quarter of 2020, Berkshire liquidated all of its airline investments. The company also sold the majority of its assets in Wells Fargo, JP Morgan Chase, and Goldman Sachs in the same year. The timing of the bank's stock sales was poor. Additionally, Berkshire has sold some of the pharmaceutical equities it acquired in late 2022, including those of Merck and AbbVie. If you believe Buffett is a genius investor, you now have an opportunity to purchase these stocks cheaper than Buffett himself. This is not an investment advice. Investment is high risk and is not for everyone. Do your own research before purchasing anything. Please share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. As usual, if you learned something valuable, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more contents like this. You can check out more videos on the channel and share. See you in the next one.